Hello, I am Sunil Kumar Gupta from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Saga. We will discuss bar chart in this session under the data visualization. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the line chart and its properties. Bar chart represents data and information in the form of columns or bars. One axis of bar chart represents the categories and another axis of bar chart represents the frequencies or percentage. The height of the bars depends on the values of the coordinates. There are two types of bars. First is vertical bar chart and another is horizontal bar chart. In vertical bar chart, the x-axis represents categories and y-axis represents the frequencies. The bar chart grows downwards when we give the values in negative on y-axis or x-axis. The bar method we use to draw the bar chart. This bar method is available in the library matplotlib.pyplot. The another type of bar chart is horizontal bar chart. In horizontal bar chart, the x-axis represents the frequencies and y-axis represents categories. The bar goes leftwards when we give negative values. To draw the horizontal bar chart, we use a method that is bar h. This is similar to bar methods and the library is also same, that is matplotlib.pyplot. Let's see the example on directory in Python IDE. So here we have a blank program window in which we will try to design a simple program. So I have imported matplotlib.pyplot as mpt and import numpy as np. I will use arange function for numpy x coordinates. We require two coordinates x and y to draw a bar chart. So for x coordinate I will use np dot arange. I need only 5 values, so I will give here 5. Y equal to, I am taking one list for y values. I am giving some values 20, 35, 11, 58 and 39. So these are my 5 values. Now I have two coordinates x and y. How to use bar function? Use the mpt dot bar and provide the values of x and y. Okay, it's very simple. Now another method we will use to show the chart. So mpt dot show. Let's try to run this program. You can see here these are the result, and we can see here these are the values of x coordinate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 executed from arange function. Another is y equal to 20. So this is the 20 and 0 for 0 value, that is 20, on 1 that is 35, and see here this is 11, 58 and 30. So this is the simple bar chart, that is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now I'm going to give some negative values. Let's see, I'm giving here minus 25, 58, 39 and minus 30. So there are two negative values. Then you can see the structure of chart again. Something is wrong. This is okay. Once again, I want to check the values. 20, 35, 11, minus 25, 58, and minus 30. Okay, because the values are more than 5, so it is producing error. Now there are 7 values, so we have to write here 7 ranges because x and y coordinates will be similar. That's why this error is produced. So you can check it. Now see the result. For negative values, the bars goes downwards. Simply, we can convert this vertical bar chart in horizontal bar chart also. Just we have to change the method and give here the method name bar h. You can add h bar h for horizontal chart. Now see the result. Okay. Now coordinates have changed. This is the x coordinate and these are the y coordinate, and data has flipped. Okay. This is the horizontal bar chart. Okay. Now come to the presentation again. I'm taking one real-time example to display the bar chart. Okay, we can show the problems like that in bar chart. So I took real data from website regarding COVID-19 cases in India as on 28 June. So I took 4 states: New Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. These are the confirmed cases, these are the cured cases, and these are the death cases. So we will see the program of on this problem. So I took 4 list to present this program. First list is state, second is confirmed cases, third is cured cases, and fourth one is death cases. So for any one situation, the x always states will always represent x-axis because this is the category, and confirmed cases or cured cases and death cases, these are the frequency. So see the simple bar chart. You can draw the chart ERT dot state, ERT dot bar, and for x coordinate that is state, and for y coordinates I am drawing only bars for confirmed cases. Now ERT dot show. Okay, now run this program. So that is the situation of COVID cases in India as on 28 June in 4 states. So that is the diagram. Here you can see the y-axis for the positive cases, and these are the states. First bar, second bar, third bar, fourth bar. You can change different colors of these bars also. So now we can apply some properties such as title, X level, Y level, etc. Okay, so here we can give the title of the chart PLT dot title, and in bracket COVID cases in different states as on 8 June 2020. Now give the name for x coordinate, then PLT dot x level, and give the name states. Okay, and PLT dot y level, and this is the COVID cases, COVID-19. let's see the change in the diagram. This is, so that is the title. This is the title of the chart. I have given the title here, COVID cases in states, and this is the X level states, and this is the Y level COVID-19 cases. You can see full screen, COVID-19 cases, states, and so on. Now we are going to draw the bars for all the categories like confirmed cases, cured cases, and death cases. So we need to design a different bars for different values. For confirmed cases, this is the bars. We need to import numpy for this purpose. Import numpy as n, because I need a numeric value. So numeric value we can take help of this one. So I'm taking here a equal to np dot a range. I need only 4 numeric values because these are 4 states. So I'm giving here. Now we will change something in first plot. This is state. So we will write here a for x coordinate. Okay, I'm going to explain why we are writing here a equal to confirmed cases, and for confirmed cases we are giving the color red color equal to R, and you can give the label also. So label, to give the label for this confirmed cases, we write here confirmed. Okay, so that chart will be drawn, and in A we will add 0.0 values. 0, we will add 0. Okay, because we want to show all the charts one after another, so we need to give some width also. So I'm giving here width equal to, in decimal values, suppose width is 0.2. okay, so in next bar we will increase the width by 0.2. so select this line and copy it and paste it. Now after the confirmed cases we will write cured. These are the cured cases, and for cured cases we will represent with the green color. So right here G for green. Width is same, but here we will increase width by 0.2 because the width of first bar is 0.2. So the second bar of cured cases will be adjacent to the first one. Now the third plot, we will draw the third plot for death cases. So right here 0.4, because the difference between two bars will be 0.4. These are the death cases, and these are the cured death cases. And for death case we will represent by yellow color. So right here yellow color, and width will be the same for all the bar. And change the names, change the level of these labels. This is the death case. These are the cured, and these are the death cases. In that way we can design different bars. There are 3 bars, and the title, X level, and Y level will be same. So let's try to run this program. Okay, see the picture. So whatever properties we have mentioned here, you can see one by one. So the red color is showing the confirmed cases of different states. Now states are not there. We will try to write the states here. Okay, after some. Then these are the another These three bars are representing Delhi confirmed cases. Oh, sorry, Maharashtra. This is the New Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and for okay. So you can see the picture of confirmed cases, cured cases, and death cases. We can see the death cases are very less in India in different states. So now we have to write the states names below the bars. How that can we do that? See. So we have to set the xticks. So right here ELT dot xticks, and for x we are using for x, that is state. So what will we do? The xticks will be changed with the state. Okay. So A will be replaced by the state name. Now the picture is very clear. These are the, now you can see the output. So this is the cases in New Delhi. These are the cases in Maharashtra. These are the cases in Gujarat, and these are the. In that way, you can design any bar chart. Okay. So to show the different bars, we required a numeric value at state. That's why I didn't take state list. I have taken only A and P dot A range for numeric values, because we have to add the bits 0.0 in first, then add 0.2 in the next one, then add 0.2 in the next one, and so on. I hope आपको ये सभी प्रॉब्लम बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा बार चार्ट। आगे जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगा वो मैं दूसरे चार्ट्स को लेकर मैं बनाऊंगा। आप इन सभी को प्रैक्टिस करिए, और ये उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।